Welcome back to my channel. Start with a startling statistic about how many people forget their Windows passwords each year, or pose a question like, have you ever been locked out of your own computer? So today I'm going to tell you how you can reset a forgotten Windows password in just a few minutes. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. As you can see, I'm typing my password, but the Windows isn't accepting it. It shows the password is incorrect. If we click on Reset Password, it asks for a flash drive to reset the password, which most people don't have ready. Therefore, to reset the password via command prompt, we need to enter Windows recovery mode. For that, restart the system while pressing the Shift key. This will make Windows automatically boot into recovery mode on the next startup. After entering recovery mode, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open Command Prompt. Now, we need to open the drive where Windows is installed. Usually it's the C drive, but in Command Prompt, the drive letters might change. To find out, go to Disk Part. By typing the command list volume, Command Prompt will show all drive letters. If you know the size of your C drive partition, you can open it directly. For example, I know my C drive is 222 gigabytes, and in CMD, its drive letter is G. If you don't know the size, check each drive's directory to see which one contains the Windows folder. Exit Disk Part and open the Windows installed drive. Check its directory using the dir command. You will see the Windows folder. Now navigate to the System32 folder inside the Windows folder using the command cd Windows System32. Next, rename utilman.exe using the command ren utilman.exe utilman1.exe. Then copy cmd.exe as utilman.exe using the command copy cmd.exe utilman.exe. This replaces the accessibility tool with command prompt. Exit and continue to Windows. Once the system boots, click the accessibility icon and command prompt will open. Now you can reset the password in two ways. First method, type the command control user passwords 2. This will open the list of active users in the control panel. Select the user, click reset password, type the new password, and log in with it. Second method, as I explained in my last video, use the net user command in CMD to change any user's password or deactivate them. Let's try this method too. Lock Windows again, open command prompt via the accessibility icon, and type net user. This shows all users. To change the password, type net user username. It will ask for a new password. Type it. Close CMD and log in with the new password. Finally, revert the changes we made to utilman.exe. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as administrator. Type the command delete utilman.exe to delete the copied file. Then rename utilman1.exe back to utilman.exe using ren utilman1.exe utilman.exe. Exit CMD to confirm lock Windows and check if the accessibility icon opens the tool normally. So, with these simple steps, you can reset your password without a bootable USB, just using command prompt. In my next video, I'll explain the bootable USB method for those who prefer it. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Let's end tech frustrations together. Thank you.